If you've ever wanted to turn your horizontal landscape videos into vertical, portrait format for TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts, but weren't sure how, today's tutorial is just for you. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to make any landscape video perfectly fit a portrait frame using CapCut, whether you're on your phone or your computer. This method is quick, super common, and keeps your video looking professional, ready to grab attention on any social media feed. All right, let's jump right in. The key technique we'll be using is zooming in or stretching your video so it fills the entire portrait screen. Now, just a quick heads up, this does mean you'll lose the left and right edges of your original video since we're shifting from wide to tall, but it also means your viewers won't see any empty black bars, and the action will look clean and impactful on vertical platforms. First, open up your project in CapCut. You'll need to set your aspect ratio before you do anything else. On the mobile app, you're looking for the ratio option down at the bottom. If you're working in CapCut for PC, click Modify at the top, and then choose Ratio. The portrait ratio you want is 9:16. It's the go-to standard for TikTok, Reels, or Shorts, perfect for scrolling through feeds on any smartphone. Setting this step correctly up front saves you from having to recrop or resize your video later. So take a second to find the 9:16 option and confirm it's applied. Next, let's move on to filling that frame with your actual video. Tap to select the video clip on your timeline. If you're on your phone, here's a handy little trick. Just use 2 fingers directly on the preview window and pinch outward to zoom in. Keep going until the video is big enough that those pesky black bars disappear and your content stretches all the way from top to bottom. It's almost like cropping a photo to fit a frame. Anything past the edges won't show up. Don't worry if you need a few tries to get it just right. If you're on the computer version of CapCut, the process is a little different, but just as simple. With the clip selected, look for the Details panel on the right. Under Video and then Basic, you'll find a slider labeled Scale. Drag it slowly to the right and watch the preview. As the scale increases, the video will enlarge and fill the screen. Adjust gently until every trace of black bar is gone. Now, here's a crucial part. Reposition your zoomed-in video so what matters most is centered. Since we've cut off the sides, some parts of the scene won't make it into the portrait view. Take a moment to drag the video around until you're showing the main action, your face, or the most interesting area right in the middle. Let's say you have a landscape clip of a surfer riding a wave. You'll want to move the view so the surfer is in the center, rather than cropping them out to the side. And that's it. You've now transformed your original landscape video into a polished portrait format, ready to wow viewers on mobile. It's a fast edit with a big impact, especially for social media. If your result isn't perfect on the first try, just adjust the zoom and reposition. Getting it just right sometimes takes a couple of tweaks. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button. If you have any questions or want tips on other editing tricks in CapCut, leave a comment below and I'll get back to you. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy, practical video editing guides every week. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.